Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use coupons on the Shein app so that you can save money before you place your order. Okay, so let's get started. So launch your Shein app and here we go. You'll land on the shop page first. Now select any item that you want to purchase. So I'm going to add this item to the cart. And once you're done selecting your items, look at the bottom and tap the cart icon. So over here, you'll see all the items that you've picked. Now tap checkout and then you'll land on the order confirmation page. So first, select your shipping address, then choose your shipping method, and then after that scroll down and select your payment details. So now you'll see a section that says apply coupon. Tap on it. So over here you'll see a box where you can type in your coupon code. So enter the code, then tap apply, and once you do that, your coupon will be applied to your purchase. And right here you'll see a recommended coupons. You can use these two if they work for your order. So that's how you use coupons on Shein app. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.